Basically the same name. Okay, here we go. Get ready. Let Ace right in there. Just jump right in there, Ace, anyway. Okay, ready. Hands up and out. Okay, break to the corner whenever you're ready. And get to the corner, you turn right. Break out when you're ready, Kelly. Go slow, Tim, they gotta catch up. Hands up. Nice and slow. Get ready for the plank. We're going to do it this time. Ready and plank. Crossover. Turn left.